Can we turn this into a multi-million-dollar project? I think I can. So we bought an old junkyard and we are repurposing it to a truck yard, a truck parking lot. This is a commercial property, but it's also an abandoned property. It's very risky, and commercial properties are bought by investors. Investors, when they buy commercial property, they buy the income stream. They don't buy a property because it's pretty or because it's ugly and they can make it look nice, like you do a flip in a house. Here, you're trying to buy a property and you know that it's gonna cash flow. So you don't know this is gonna cash flow. So you buy an abandoned property to repurpose it, to make it the crown jewel of the area that everybody wants to be in and wants to use the property because they have a need for it. There is no income stream in this property. What do commercial real estate investors buy? They buy income stream. So keep that in mind. And I'm talking to my kids because I was going to get them to buy some duplexes and rent them to kind of defend against inflation. So enough of talk about numbers. Look up in our website and you will find more of that information. And if you need help on a particular project like this that is a repurpose, I could help you do that. Just stay tuned and go to our website. You will find a lot of resources there. So as you can see behind me, this is the property I've been talking to you about. This is called a repositioning. I'm gonna take you for a little tour of the property. There you go. To the truck. I'm making progress, making progress. So yeah, we're clearing the fence line. This is Mr. Hermers, your host. Yeah, back at the truck yard. No. Now we're gonna call it the sandbox. So if you see here behind me, see that big pile of dirt right there? Okay, that is dirty gravel. This is the deal. We're paying $19 a ton for clean gravel delivered here. 22 tons in a truck. Okay, so this is the deal. If we dump that dirty gravel, we're gonna pay Thompson's charges $200 pickup fee and $38 a ton to haul it away. If I could get a truck to do it, which I don't have the equipment to put on top of the truck, I only have a skid steer and I can't get a dump truck, maybe I'll charge us $5 a mile or something like that to dump it to another place or whatever. But I don't have that option. So my only option, because I need gravel anyways, is to clean that gravel. So through research, I came up with something that we could use that is called a grizzly. We're building a grizzly in-house. Okay, so what are we gonna work with? Okay, I got some old steel, some kind of gadgets that I guess they used to pull engines out of cars in this junkyard, and it's been sitting here. So we're gonna use that metal to make ourselves a grizzly, okay? Or a rock rake, or whatever you wanna call it, but it has various names. So here we got more gravel over here. Check this out. Here I got more rock that I have, more gravel, but it's mixed with big boulders, okay? Some stuff. Well, here we go. We're gonna take these old parts and turn it into a grizzly. Okay, Okay, here's the thing. A grizzly, I got a quote on it. A grizzly's worth about, with 2 screens and a grizzly, an 8x12 will cost about $5,500. It ships out of Colorado, plus shipping. So my welder said that he could do a grizzly homemade right here for $2,000, labor and material. So I don't think it's a no-brainer. We're only gonna use it. It'll probably be used forever. It's probably not gonna be perfect, but we're gonna get that done like that, okay? This is how it will work. So we will have to put cross beams. We gotta put something on the top to support it, and we're gonna put cross beams. So the skid steer comes from the back and drops the load, and whatever's big falls out here, and whatever's small falls in there, and then he just picks it up. Yo, that grizzly's coming along good. I think it's gonna be done today. I think we're gonna be able to test it today. That's how awesome Philip is. He's been making really good progress on this thing. Yeah, we're back to testing the grizzly. A little bit around. Got the preacher on the cat. Oh wow, yeah, that's tight work right there, man. Look at that. Clean the shit out of that gravel. Those things didn't go in through that. This gotta be some. This didn't go through that. Did it? Oh yes, it did. Okay. All right. That's where we need the screen. That's the next project. Can you make the screen, Philip? Yeah. All right, be thinking about it. So we can make the screens on it too. We finished doing the final touches on the grizzly. Guys, check this out. It's a homemade grizzly. We made it right here on site. Yo, we're back at the sandbox. So today we're gonna do a little bit of moving around some dirt. Like it is written, nothing new. What once was, will be again. Not much of the same we're doing today. We got Preacher on the 279, I'm gonna get on the 259, and we're gonna clean some gravel, waiting for the D6 dozer, coming tomorrow probably, and it's gonna be fun. Let me show you. Preacher's on the skid steer. Let me show you what's going on. Whoa, yeah. See what it does, guys? Separates those ugly boulders from these. Check this out, what we've done so far. So here we go. We got all this gravel screened once. Now we got to screen it again. And after we screen it again, we'll literally get the sand out. So here you go. But it started raining too much. It's kind of sizzling, but it's getting too wet where it starts to bulk up the grizzly. So there you go. Can we turn these pennies into dollars? I don't know, but for right now, it's just a sandbox. So hopefully, haven't heard anything Haven't had the cat guys come and pick up the contract, but I got a sign ready to go to get that D6 here on a purchase rental agreement. So how that works is we use it, and if we keep the machine, whatever we pay to rent goes towards the price of the machine. So machine is $220,000, but guess what? If it helps us clear our own land going forward for our own sandbox so we could park trucks on it, it'll pay off to own one of those. If we just do this sandbox and never do another truck yard, not worth it. So we're gonna take it one step at a time. Mr. Hermers checking out. Hasta la vista, baby.